The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know what I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla, and I want to say big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, the artist that is known as Ganggoolie, that man that do the song named Muscle Wine. Now, I have an audio of the artist that is known as Ganggoolie, and he's in an interview where he said some things about Candy Wow and a man that is known as Baby Lad. Now, the things that he had said on social media, some people are saying that it is a disrespect towards Candy Wow and Baby Lad, and some people are saying that he's just telling the truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to play this audio for you, my viewers and subscribers, and you can tell me what you think, alright? But before I play this audio for you, I have to warn you that some of the languages in this audio might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Observe.
Me must say no, me stop candy for sell pussy, you know.
Jesus, God, the Jesus.
You understand?
Oh, you do that now.
Yeah, me stop candy for sell pussy.
Oh, you do that now.
Because the first time candy get posted on Facebook, it was me.
Yeah.
When me a perform, see, me a perform, you know, a whole album, and she walk in for my performance, and some more artists that are performing. When me say, you, forward. The next artist they run, because they must say, a girl, a dirty girl.
Yeah.
And I say, no, I can't style the girl as that. I remember say, headers can't sell it.
Me no know.
Straight heads, you know.
Don't know.
Yeah, we're not this or not. We're here the reality.
Our
and
profession.
the ball game.
Baby Lad.
And this is not disrespectful. I'm just telling you.
Yeah.
Because if me used to kill people and be baptized, never talk with me.
Yeah,
so it's another like this. But I try to tell you, when me are singing mackerel song, girl, I better my mackerel, take where you man.
Yeah.
And I draws pop. I draws pop. It up on Facebook. And me a stab her back with and it draws pop. And I viral. Like a long before she say wow. And when we do that at night, they say, you boss know. And everybody I tell her say, you boss know, Ganggoolie them, know the thing and rare.
Yeah.
And she say, you boss it true? I say, watch. And I get her thing out of pocket. And she want to do all business with me. I say, no baby, me not do the thing there. Me love and respect you same way, but I know my style.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, so when me live this sick candy, them disrespect me. It hurt. Because I regular buy candy them food and them have the night still, you know. And food and belly.
Yeah, well, yeah.
Them have the night still, you know. So, you know, but me have to talk the real thing now because them give people wrong impression on road. And when them say she get kidnapped, it was true.
Oh, it
and
was
me
true.
Make up nothing.
Yeah, them time me not call you for your interview.
Yeah, no, me make up nothing. Then them tell about lies and me tell her say. And Star there in her yard I interview her and she tell Star where happened. Show Star her foot. Swell up and everything.
Yeah.
So it's just them just a try use me as an escape goat. But me take it with a smile. You understand? Because that's just mankind. Can you not kill me? I Billy me, you know. You understand?
Yeah.
And me give her next chance in her life because remember, you know, it's alleged that you take coke. Candy is alleged that you take coke. See? And when me forward back for you, I save me you, you know. Because if you don't look up on the video, you know, look in her eye good. You don't want a hypocrite for me.
She glad when I come.
You look in her eye good and you see
the
difference between now and then how she look. Nose not a run down her nose, mouth water a run. Because me never get to talk my part of the story, you know.
Yeah.
People bash me every day. So I have to talk my part now.
Yeah, but in them times I don't call it for your interview, but I right time now.
Now it's the right time because the soup they too hot. So just load them and they enjoy themselves. Now my time for talk. See?
Yeah.
And nose not a run and me sorry make me get some napkin and wipe her nose. I ball me one ball. And me hug her up and me take them and put her in her car. Remember, you know, same clothes and then say she get kidnapped in her same clothes the Monday morning.
Yeah.
They pick her up and her foot dirty, warm beard, similar way everything. And we still not scan her. You see, me I wonder if you are too clean and get the most fight.
Of course.
And when you're wicked, they love you.
So you never know that.
You see what I say? They scan her, and me no scan her. And me bring her straight to her yard. Charter and carry out of my own pocket. Pay money out of my own pocket, charter car from Wallaba to town and me not get no thanks to that. That's you could have on TV now with you and baby fraud them. A kiss up like it's a kissy for thing like him trying kissing. Brother, stay in your bedroom with that man. Public no need for a kissing thing there. A long tongue carpet mill style. Go one side with that man. If you sing music, you don't sing music. You understand?
Yeah.
Because you are used for your eye. And I know me wanted some people blind. As he said, this huge. As me said, it is a highness. You just make your own for the food and run in.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm show you what going. When Candy this, our manager, me was the last person who should this because me are the man where beg the manager to take her back and come the one see best for her, even though she had do her thing same way.
Yeah.
But she should have there further. See? Because the influence, bad influence with people. Alright, baby fraud now is like a little man where stay aside, he come like highness. You're on the food and then him stays one side and like so and say,
and when the food come now, he come out.
And run in and grab the food and say, me now I got this. This is my go.
Yeah.
If I hear a go dance, go. Why go dance, go? Because that a year ago. When me I say is that you never try build this person from scratch.
Yeah.
You just run in and I try be a foolish. Remix my muscle wine song. In your song you ever talk about. This is the muscle wine. Or go wine. So eventually you diss me this.
But it actually sounds like your version of song.
I'm gonna tell you how remix though.
Yeah.
After all said and done, Candy call me. Ball everything. Talk. So I send her credit, I send her some credit and thing. Still I try to help out the situation. I say, alright, me do this song now, the remix, Muscle Wine. Say, few years ago them call it Muscle Wine. Now Candy go remix the wine. You see what I say?
Yeah.
Girl wine like Candy, wine like Candy. Wine like.
Yeah.
Send the gear and I say, alright, here go on. This is your comeback song. Just dance 1 minute of video to a song.
Yeah.
And send it come. She say, alright, Ganggoolie. Come I say, yo, me still a cheer for you.
Yeah.
See? Still a give her strength. Girl, take my song and run go link. Baby Lord or fraud or one of them.
Jesus.
Listen to me song.
Yeah.
And sing round me song. And say, this is no muscle wine. Or go wine. Oh, you feel do that youth and a muscle wine.
And a muscle
the dance where you sing bow, you are sour cow. And man, he make man all do. Muscle wine.
Me even see a
when you come, all him a do it too.
Yeah.
Worthless boy. Baby Lord, you're worthless. You're a worthless Jamaican. I mean, don't stop talk. Oh, you fear do muscle wine. And boy, you're an artist.
Oh man, fear do muscle wine.
Oh man, fear do muscle wine. Leave that to the ladies them.
Or war wine.
But me them not say no war wine, no, cause muscle wine. You understand? You just extend it and promote it.
Yeah.
Or you can't change the route. You youth. But baby lad, baby fraud, you cannot do muscle wine, you. Leave that to the ladies them. Come and see upon social media, tough up yourself on a muscle wine. I mean, I say, what this youth do? That's why youth are well, are you well one boss?
So you're telling males don't do muscle wine, it's a female.
It's a female dance.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Yeah, oh, if you make some look at you, me see a man a pose. Big man like you, when a Jamaican know say, yo, Jamaica be authentic, certain thing we not do. Stop make some look a female chicken away and bring on the phone away. Man, look at kids them you have a do. Man, male kids you have a do muscle wine.
Yeah.
Leave it alone. All female and male. Look at kids, we're not showing in the wrong way. Now do that. Boy wear blue, girl wear pink.
Pink.
What you wear pink?
So
yeah.
you would not wear pink?
No. Too much people are pink. Pinky and the brain.
Alright viewers and subscribers, there you have it, the audio of the artist that is known as Ganggoolie doing an interview, and he said some things in that interview about Candy Wow and Baby Lord, and some people on social media says that what he had said about Candy Wow and Baby Lord, that it is a disrespect to them, and some people are saying that he's just telling the truth. Now viewers and subscribers, I'm going to ask you a question right about now. Is it that what the artist that is known as Ganggoolie, is it that what he had said, is it a disrespect to Candy Wow and Baby Lord, or is it that he's just telling the truth? Alright, you can let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers. You see, So you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla, there to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I want. So if you're new to the channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla, no big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.